The brutal truth about accounting versus finance. I used to be in accounting. You know the life, month-end close, reconciliations, hunting down variances like a forensic detective, and living under the constant threat of the calendar. The books had to close, the numbers had to tie, and God help you if a suspense account didn't clear. Late nights, endless checklists. That one Excel workbook with 37 tabs that nobody fully understands, but everyone fears touching. Perfection was expected. Sleep was optional. Back then, I was the one in the trenches, fixing journal entries, tracking down $3 variances like they were federal crimes, and refreshing the trial balance every 10 minutes, hoping it would magically reconcile itself. Now I work in finance, and my life is very different. Every month, the accounting team, people doing the exact job I used to do, works like absolute maniacs to produce clean, accurate numbers. They grind through the close, tie out the accounts, investigate the weird entries, and make sure everything is airtight. When they're finally done, they bring me into a meeting. For about 30 minutes. They walk me through what happened that month. They explain the variances, the drivers, the context behind the numbers. They basically give me the full story. I nod. I ask a couple thoughtful questions, maybe write down a few bullet points. Then I go into the executive meeting. And I repeat, almost exactly what they told me. Same numbers, same story, same explanations. Except now there's a chart, maybe a bar graph, possibly a waterfall chart if I'm feeling fancy. And suddenly it's called financial insight. That's it. I don't reconcile accounts anymore. I don't fix broken journal entries. I don't spend hours figuring out why an account is off by $14. I analyze what accounting produced and translate it for leadership. And here's the ridiculous part. I get paid significantly more now than when I was the one actually doing the hard work. Much more, while working less. To be fair, if the numbers are late or wrong, it's still my problem. I'm the one explaining it upstairs. Sometimes I'm even the one putting pressure on accounting to move faster. So I guess that's where my value technically comes from. But the disconnect is real. Accounting sweats to build the numbers. Finance gets paid to tell the story. And every once in a while, when I'm sitting in a calm conference room presenting a nicely formatted slide deck, I remember the version of me 3 years ago, eating takeout at 9:45 p.m. while trying to clear a reconciliation. That guy definitely worked harder than I do now. Don't get me wrong, I respect accounting deeply. I've been there. They're the backbone of every close and every set of financials. But sometimes I look around the room during an executive meeting and think, wow, we really turned their blood, sweat, and Excel formulas into a PowerPoint.